Our next topic is rounding of decimal numbers and significant figures. So first I will explain rounding off. Exercise 4E, question number 1, 0.07, 0.112, 3.59, 9.489. We have to round off this given decimal numbers nearest tenths. So as you know that after decimal we are having tenth, then hundredth, then thousandth. So the concept of rounding off is easy. If you are having number 5 or more than 5, then rounding up. If you are having number less than 5, so rounding down. So the first question is 0.07 and we have to round off this nearest tenth. So after decimal, as I told you, the first one place is tenth, then hundredth, and now we are rounding off nearest tenth. So we have to pick the digit next to the tenth. So in this 0.07, 0 is at tenth, 7 is at hundredth. So we will pick 100. So as you can see, we are having 7 at 100 position and 7 is greater than 5. So this is the case of rounding up. So now 0.07, simply this 7 will give 1 to this digit. So 0 plus 1, 0. So 0.07 is rounded off to nearest tenth as 0.1. राउंडिंग ऑफ में टेंथ में राउंड ऑफ करना है, तो जिसमें राउंड ऑफ करना होता है उसका नेक्स्ट डिजिट पिक करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज 0.112. दिस इज टेंथ पोजिशन, देन हंड्रेड पोजिशन, देन थाउजेंथ पोजिशन. सो द डिजिट एट हंड्रेड पोजिशन इज 1 and 1 is less than 5. So this is the case of rounding down. So simply this 1 will be 0 and after that the digits means 2 will also 0. So only you have to write 0.1, only this one. These two digits you have to remove. Next is 3.59. 3.59, 10th position, 100th position. So we have to pick digit of 100th position, which is 9 here, and as you know 9 is greater than 5. So this is the case of rounding up. So 9 will give 1 to the next digit. So this 5 will get 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. So 3.59 can be rounded off nearest tenth as 3.6. Then the last number is 9.489. So 9.489, 10th position, 100th position, 1000th position. As I told you, we are rounding off nearest tenth. So after 10th we have to select. So after 10th we are having 100 and digit at 100 is 8. And as you know 8 is greater than 5. So this is the case of rounding up. Case of rounding up. So simply this 8 will give 1 to the next digit, that means before digit. Before 8 we are having 4. So first we will write 9, then point. Now this 4 will get 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. And this 8, 9 we have to remove. Clear? So 9.489 है, इसमें नियरेस्ट टेंथ राउंड ऑफ करना है. तो टेंथ में 100 है, सॉरी 10th में 4 है और 4 के बाद 100th, तो नियरेस्ट 10th राउंड ऑफ करना है तो 100th पे जो डिजिट होगा उसको पिक करेंगे। तो जो 100 पे डिजिट है, यहाँ पे 100 पे कौन सा है, 8 है, एंड 8 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 5, तो 8 जो है यहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएगा। 8 के बाद में जो डिजिट्स होंगे वो भी रिमूव हो जाएंगे। 8 के बाद जो डिजिट्स होंगे, 8 और 8 के बाद जो डिजिट्स होंगे वो रिमूव हो जाएंगे, और 8 1 देगा बिफोर डिजिट को, तो यहाँ पे 4 + 1 5 होगा, तो 9.5 इज रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 0.627, 100.479, 0.065, 0.024. Now we have to round off this decimal numbers nearest 100th. Clear? So as I told you, after decimal the first one place is 10th, then 100th, then 1000th. Now we have to round off 100th, nearest 100th. So after 100th position, the digit we have to select. So as you can see in 0.627, 100th place is 2, after that we are having 7, and as you know 7 is greater than 5, so this is the case of rounding up, and in rounding up simply we will remove this 7, but this 7 will give 1 to the before digit. So first we will write 0.6, then this 2 will get 1 extra, so 2 + 1 3, and we will remove 7. So 0.63 is a rounding up. Next is 100.479. After decimal the first value 10th position, then 100th position, then 1000th position. So we have to round off nearest 100, so we will select digit after 100. So at 100 we are having 7, and digit after 7 is 9, and as you know 9 is greater than 5, so this is the case of rounding up. So simply this 9 will give 1 to the previous digit. So first we will write 100.4. Now this 7 will get 1, so 7 + 1 8, so this will be 48, and we will remove 9. So 100.48 is required answer. Then next is 0.065. Again 10th, 100th, 1000th. So after 100, because we are rounding off nearest 100th, so after 100th we are having 1000, and at 1000 we are having digit 5, and as you know 5 equals to 5, so this is a case of rounding up. So this 5 will give 1 to 6, so 0.0, then 6 + 1 7, then we will remove 5, so 0.07 is required answer. Clear? So for the next 0.024, so this is 10th, 100th, 1000th. We have to round off nearest 100th. So after 100th we are having 1000th. The digit at 1000th place is 4, and as you know 4 is less than 5, so this is the case of rounding down. In rounding down we have to remove that digit, and previous same we have to write. राउंडिंग डाउन में जो डिजिट को आप राउंडिंग डाउन कर रहे हो उसको रिमूव करोगे, उसके पहले एज इट इज़ लिखोगे, तो 0.024 का 0.02, ये आपका रिक्वायर्ड आंसर है। नेक्स्ट इज नियरेस्ट होल नंबर, नियरेस्ट होल नंबर. So the question is 4.83, 0.86, 451.943, 9.08. Now we have to round off this to the nearest whole number. So in this question we have to round off this decimal numbers to nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. Now we have to round off this decimal numbers to nearest whole number. For that there is a rule. After decimal you should have only one digit. If you are having question that convert or round off to the nearest 10, so for that one condition is there. After decimal you should have one place only. So as you can see in this question, after decimal we are having two places. The last value is 3, and as you know 3 is less than 5, so this is the case of rounding down, and in rounding down we are removing that digit only and doing nothing simply. So 4.83 can be written as 4.8. Now in this we are having 0.86. After decimal we are having two places. The last value is 6, and as you know 6 is greater than 5, so this is the case of rounding up. So simply this 6 we will remove, and this 6 will give 1 to the previous number. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 0.86 is 0.9 now. Now in this question we are having three places after decimal. And as I told you, after decimal you should have only one place. Only one place. So for that simply this 3 is less than 5. So directly you can remove this. Now this 4 is less than 5. So this is the case of rounding down. And rounding down means what? We will remove 4 and 3 both. So only we will have 451.9. Then 9.08. The last digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So this is the case of rounding up. So this 8 will give 1 to this previous digit. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 9.08 can be written as 9.1. Clear? Now we are having 4.8, 0.9, 451.9, then 9.1. So now in this case, after decimal, if you are having digit 5 or greater than 5, then case of rounding up, for example 4.8, after decimal you are having 8, 8 is greater than 5, so this is a case of rounding up. So this 8 will give 1 to the previous digit. So this 4 plus 1 will become 5. This will become 5, and you will remove this 0.8. Now 0.9. 9 is greater than 5, so this will give 1 to the digit previous to it. So 0 plus 1, 1. Then now this 9 will give 1 to the previous digit because 9 is greater than 5. So this 451 will become 452. Then this 9.1, simply this 1 is less than 5. So this is the case of rounding down. So 9.1 can be written as 9 only. So this is the required answer for the round of nearest whole number. Question number 2 you can solve. You have to multiply, then you have to convert nearest 100th. Next topic is significant numbers. In significant numbers or significant figures are the total number of digits present in a number except the zeros preceding the first numeral. Means what? Simply if a number is starting from 0, you are not supposed to count that 0. That I will explain in this example. 502, number of significant digits is 3. 502, again number of significant digits is 3. 5.02, simply this number is starting from 5, again first, second, third, 3 digits. Now this number is starting from 0. This number is starting from 0. So we will not count this 0 as our digit. Simply we will count this 1, 2, 3. So how many digits we are having here? 3 digits. Again, starting from 0, we will not count this. Again 0, we will not count this. 5 digit is here, we have to count. So 1. After that, if you are having 0, you are supposed to count. So 2, 3. 3 digits we are having here. सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स में, सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर्स में अगर कोई नंबर 0 से स्टार्ट होता है तो जब तक 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 0 0 है, तब तक आप काउंट नहीं करोगे. वहाँ पे अगर एक डिजिट आ गया 1 से लेके 9 तक, उसके बाद अगर 0 है तो आप उसको काउंट करोगे. अगेन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0, so we will leave, again 0 we will leave. Now 5, first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. So how many digits are there? 4 digits. So in this case we are having 1 2 3, and this 0 we have to count, because as I told you, only condition is what? The digit or a number should not start with 0, should not start by 0. यहाँ पे तो 5 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. So 4 digits are there. 1 2 3 4 4 digits are there. सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स का सिर्फ एक रूल है कि 0 से स्टार्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल 0.00300502, starting from 0 leave, again 0 leave, again 0 leave, again 0 leave. Not this starting from 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there. Clear? So in question number 3, starting from 3, so in question number first 35.06, 4 digits are there. Then 0.35, starting by 0, so we'll not count this 0. 1 2, how many digits are there? 2 significant digits are there. Then third one is starting from 7, so you will count all the digits, 5 digits are there. Then fourth one is 19.0, 1 2 3 digits are there. Like this you have to solve. One is 0.08 into 25, so 0.08, simply this 0.08, after decimal we are having 2 places, so this can be written as 8 upon 100 into 25. 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, only 2 we are getting, so only one significant digit here. Clear? Next is question number 4. Write the given questions in significant figures. So I am solving the fifth one. Question number 4, third. These are the given decimal numbers and we have to correct to 5 significant figures. Means we have to round off, and we have to make some corrections here to get 5 significant digits. The condition which I have told you, that it should not start by 0. If a number is starting by 0, from 0, we can't count that 0 as a significant figures. So in the first question we are having 14.29462. As you can see, starting from 1, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits are there, but as per question we want only 5. That means 1 2 3 4 5, till this number we want. So what we have to do now? Simply we have to round off. The last digit is what? 2, and 2 is less than 5, so this is a case of rounding down. So simply we will remove 2. Clear? We will remove 2. Then after that we are having 6. 6 is greater than 5, so this will give 1 to the number previous to it, which is 4. So 4 will get 1 from this 6, so 4 plus 1 5. So our final answer is what? 14.295. Now as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5, correct to 5 significant figures. Like this you have to convert. Now what about this? We are having 1 2 3, only 3 places. From where we will get other 2 values? Simply by adding 0. Very simple. Now 1 2 3 4 5, we are having 5 significant figures. Third one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits we are having here. We have to round this off to the correct 5. So the last number is what? Last number is 2. Last number is 2. 2 is less than 5, so this is a case of rounding down. So simply we will remove 2. Then next is 8. 8 is more than 5, so this is case of rounding up. So this will give 1 to the number previous to it, which is 6. So 6 will get 1, so that will become 7. So our final answer is 4, 6, 3, 5, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits we are having. Like this you have to convert. Then last is 69, only 2 digits. So we will write 69.123. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits we are having. Like this you have to convert. Then last is exercise 4F. 4F is a miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous means what? From question, you will have questions from 4A to 4E that you have to solve. So question number 1 to 5 is homework, which is easy, you can solve, no problem. If you are having any doubt, you can drop a message, then I will clear your doubt. Then question number 6. From 6 I will explain one question. Third one, 6.25 of 8.4 minus 4.7 of 3.24. So first we will write this 6.25. Of stands for multiplication, then 0.84 minus 4.7 of stands for multiplication, 3.24. Now we will multiply 6.25 and 8.4. So multiply this, easily you can multiply. Here we are having 2 places after decimal, and here we are having 1 place. So 2 plus 1, 3 places. That means if we will multiply 625 and 84. So the first one is what? 4 5 ja 20, then 2 carry, 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 4 6 ja 24 plus 1 25 into, cross, then 625 into 8. So 8 5 ja 40, 4 carry, 8 2 ja 16, 16 plus 4 20, 0, then 2, 8 6 ja 48, 48 plus 2 50. So 0 0 5 2 5, 52 500, 52 500. We are having 3 places, so starting from last, 1 2 3. So our required answer is 52.500. So in this place we will write 52.500. Similarly for this 2, 4.7 into 3.24, you will get 15.228. Now we have to multiply, so 15.500 minus, 52.500 minus 15.228. So now subtract this, simply you will get 10 9 4. So 2 7 2 point, this will become 12. So 12 minus 5 7, then 4 1 3. So 37.272 is your required answer. Clear? Then last question is same. I'm solving 6th one from question number 7. 7 is board mass, which I have explained you 2 to 3 times in this session, or you are studying board mass from class 5, so it's easy for you. 6th one is 0.12 of 0.104 minus 0.02 plus 0.36 into 0.5. So as per board mass, first is bracket, so we will solve this bracket. So 0.12, then of, now subtract 0.104 minus 0.02, 0.104 minus 0.020. So you will get 4, then 8, then 0.0. So we are getting 0.084. plus 0.36 into 0.5. Now after BODMAS we are having O. O means off, means we have to solve this one. So 0.12 into 0.084 plus 0.36 into 0.5. So multiply this 0.12 into 0.084. Simply you will get 0.01008. Like this you have to multiply, which I have explained now, and as you know very well because you are multiplying decimal numbers from class 4 onwards I think. Then plus, now after off we are having D. D stands for division. We are not having any division, so leave that D. After D we are having M. M stands for multiplication, means we have to multiply this 2. So the same process we have to follow. From this 2 you will get 0.18. Now you have to add, so 0.01008 plus 0.18. Simply we will write 000. So 0.01008 and 0.18000. So 8 plus 0 8, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 1 9, 0 plus 1 1.0. So this is your required answer, 0.919008. Your exercise is over now. Your chapter 4 is over now. Complete your notes. Thank you.